In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to reset DNS in GoDaddy. This process is imperative for anyone seeking to make changes to their website's domain network settings, whether it's for site migration, configuration updates, or troubleshooting measures. Before we begin, ensure you're in possession of your GoDaddy account credentials. The first thing you need to do is head over to the GoDaddy website and sign in using these credentials. Make sure to type in your details correctly to avoid any access issues. Once you've accessed your account, the second step is to identify the area where all your domains are listed. To do this, navigate to your account dashboard where you'll find sections labeled either My Products or Domains. Prime focus lies within one of these sections, as that's where your sites are enlisted. The next step in our journey involves specifying which domain you'll be tackling. From the given list of domains, make a selection of the one you wish to manage. It's important to be sure about the domain you're picking, particularly if you have multiple websites. Having chosen your domain of interest, the next course of action is to click on the DNS-related links. This step requires you to look out for a link labeled DNS or Manage DNS associated with your chosen domain. Clicking on it will direct you to the DNS management page. Herein lies the crux of this tutorial: resetting the records. If you're at this point, it means it's time to delete the old records and add or update new ones. To remove the existing records, select the checkboxes next to the records you desire to get rid of and then hit the delete button. Whenever prompted, confirm the deletion process. Simultaneously, if you desire to include new records or modify existing ones, locate the Add New Record button to create a novel record, or find the specific existing record you wish to edit and click on the pencil icon to enable editing. While executing this step, it's vital to specify the correct record type, whether A, CNAME, TXT, and their respective values. Finally, as with any significant changes made, it's of essence to save the changes executed. Remember to save your changes after successfully resetting your DNS. An important cautionary detail to keep in mind is that DNS changes can take up to 48 hours to propagate across the internet, so don't be alarmed if the updates aren't instantaneous. And there you have it, a comprehensive step-by-step guide on resetting your DNS in GoDaddy. Be sure to follow the steps in succession for a successful reset. Happy managing!